What's up everyone, it's Child of, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into how I built my wealth and achieved millionaire status. We're talking about the steps I took, the strategies I used, and the mindset I cultivated. If you're ready to unlock your financial potential, this video's for you. Let's get started. High school might seem early to think about becoming a millionaire, but trust me, the seeds of financial success are often sown early on. Identify your interests, strengths, and the lifestyle you envision. Choosing the right path early on can save you years of detours and financial setbacks. College is expensive. Starting your wealth-building journey with student loan debt isn't ideal. Be smart about your education. Look for affordable options like in-state universities, community colleges, or trade schools. Acquire skills and knowledge without breaking the bank. Graduating debt-free gives you a head start on your journey to becoming a millionaire. Your life partner plays a significant role in your financial journey. You need someone who shares your values and financial goals. Open and honest communication about finances is key. Pensions might seem like a relic, but they can be a game changer for your financial future. A pension provides guaranteed income during retirement. Prioritize companies that offer pension plans. A pension is like a golden ticket to financial security. What if you could turn your hobbies into profitable side hustles? Monetize your skills and interests. Start small, keep costs low, and build a loyal customer base. Gain an additional income stream and fulfillment. Retirement might seem far away, but it's crucial to start planning and investing early. An annuity provides a guaranteed income stream. Start small and let your money grow. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound. Debt can start innocently with a credit card purchase or a car loan. Avoid debt, live below your means, and save for big purchases. Resist financing everything. Every dollar in interest is a dollar not growing your wealth. Real estate can be a fantastic investment. Timing is everything. Avoid bidding wars or FOMO, wait for deals and be patient, buy low, sell high. When buying a home, affordability is key. Keep your mortgage at or below 30% of your income. This ensures financial breathing room for other expenses. The world is constantly changing, and with it, the financial markets. Stay ahead by being adaptable, informed, and embracing emerging trends. Diversify your portfolio across tech stocks, energy stocks, and emerging markets. Spread your risk and capitalize on opportunities. Your property is more than just a place to live, it's a potential goldmine. Think outside the box and get creative. Rent out a spare room on Airbnb or convert your garage. Every bit of extra income adds up. Work smarter and leverage your assets. Doing things yourself can be incredibly rewarding and save you money. From home repairs to car maintenance, learn new skills and tackle projects. You'll be amazed at how much you can save. Sharpening your mental math skills makes you quicker and more efficient. It helps you spot errors, negotiate better deals, and avoid financial scams. Make it a habit to do calculations in your head. Improving your financial literacy is crucial for success. We all have dreams, but they often come with a price. Turn your desires into income opportunities. Want to travel? Start a blog? Dreaming of a sports car? Offer lessons. Where there's a will, there's a way. So, there you have it, my 14-step blueprint to becoming a millionaire. It's not easy and requires discipline, but consistency is key. Make saving and investing a habit, avoid debt, and take calculated risks. With the right mindset and determination, you can achieve your financial goals.